Hello, hi, my name is Rotondam Zeda Blessing, the guy with the YouTube channel. Thanks for following my videos, subscribing my channel, sharing, and also liking. Here's another video that I came with, a simple, quick one on how to make money online. But today I want to make it easier. It's not just only making money online, but you are making money on my channel. I'm the one who will be sending money to you guys. So it's simple in this way. If you go to the info button of my channel and then you copy the link, or you take my number from there and you start me on WhatsApp, I sent you a link. That link, if you share it to 10 people and they subscribe to my channel and they send you the screenshot to show that they have subscribed, and you send it to me, I give you 20 rand. And if 20 people they subscribe, I give you 35 rand. And if 35 people subscribe, I give you 100 rand. So it's simple as that. You can take it as an airtime, you can receive it as a cash into your account. 35 people subscribing, I send you 100 rand. I'm on hashtag road to 1k. This video won't stop. I won't stop be giving money until I reach 1k subscribers on my channel. Simple as that. No robbing, no cheating. It's just a subscribe. Clicking that subscribing button, you don't lose anything. When you click, you lose nothing. When you click, nothing is taken from you. Just only a click, tweet, and then you get the money. Simple as that.